Hi, welcome to Oliveboard. My name is Moirangthem Rabichandra Singh and I am from Manipur. I completed my graduation in the year 2017 from Sri Aurobindo College, Delhi University in BCom Honours. Here in this video, I would like to share some of my preparation strategy as well as my journey of how I ended in banking sector. After graduation, I gave some entrance test for pursuing masters. However, I couldn't clear it. As I don't want to waste another year, I started searching for jobs that would, suit me as well as it that can make a career out of it. So it was around January 2018 that I finally decided I would go for banking sector, considering the fact that having commerce background would be an added advantage to it. In the initial stage of my preparation, I took a coaching class so as to clear all my basic concepts as well as to have a thorough idea of the syllabus of the exams. However, things don't work as I planned because I could not clear SBI PO Prelims 2018, BOB PGDBF, Canara Bank PGDBF, Syndicate Bank PGDBF, GIC exams, and South Indian Bank PO. I was doing my preparation in Delhi, but it is when I encountered Oliveboard and when I had to go back to my hometown to give IBPS RRB exams that things took a different turn for me. Again, I enrolled myself in a coaching class as I was really weak in quant section. Then I was able to clear IBPS RRB PO prelims in my first attempt. That really gave me all the confidence I needed as I wasn't able to clear any of the exams which I had given before. I cleared men's exams too and I attended their interview, but I missed the final selection narrowly. Meanwhile, I also cleared IBPS PO and Clerk prelims in my first attempt, and with the grace of God, I managed to get final selection as PO in Canara Bank and as Clerk in UCO Bank. Now I'll talk about my preparation strategy. First of all, I would like to discuss about quantitative aptitude section. As for this section, I try to clear all my basic concepts from my coaching class. After that, I test myself in the Oliveboard test series. The test series helped me a lot in realizing my strong areas and weak areas. I kept on focusing on my strong areas so as not to miss any mark from these areas in the exam. For a person who is weak in quant, the test series help a lot in increasing the speed in solving the questions. As for the reasoning section, the questions contained in Oliveboard are more than enough for cracking this exam. But this section is all about practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get a hold on this section. So as for me, I solve all the questions from the test series as well as from the mock test. Let's come to English section. I do have a little basic understanding of English as I studied in English medium school. Um, I do regularly read the business section and the articles of the Hindu newspaper regularly. I think it really improved my sentence construction, vocabulary, and adapting reading comprehension. Apart from this, I solved every questions from Oliveboard test series, which was enough for me in doing the grammar section during the exam. So now let's talk about GK, current affairs, and financial awareness. You know what? You can increase your men's mark drastically if you are really good in GK, financial awareness, current affairs. As for these sections, I regularly read the daily updates from Oliveboard and monthly updates from the BSc magazine. I also refer some 2-3 other websites as well, as current affairs, financial awareness are abundantly available on the internet. Now I'll talk about my interview preparation. I attended mock interview sessions from my coaching center. In addition to that, I watched a lot of YouTube videos. Apart from this, I also make a lot of questions that can be asked in the interview and make answers by myself, which also contains a lot of questions from the stream that I studied. I also learned the current affairs, financial awareness of the current 2-3 months. Now I want to discuss how Oliveboard helped me in my preparation. I was searching for a good test series. Luckily, I found Oliveboard. The questions contained in this test series are of really high standard. I don't normally score good marks in the test, but analyzing the test really improved me to a great extent. The test series helped me in time management, in realizing the nature of questions, my strong areas and weak areas. I definitely recommend an Oliveboard to all the aspirants out there. I can guarantee that you will never regret taking mock test series from Oliveboard. And lastly, to all the aspirants out there, I just want to say that it all depends on the amount of hard work and dedication an individual can put in for cracking this exam. I definitely believe every individual has their own unique way of studying, but please be very clear of all the basics and the syllabus of the exams you are giving for. No doubt you'll definitely need a test series, and I would recommend Oliveboard. Please note that even if you don't score good marks in their test series, please don't lose hope and instead analyze the questions thoroughly after giving the test, and that would definitely help you a lot. Don't have plan B, you concentrate on the exams you are giving for and nothing else. In that way, I can guarantee you that nothing can stop you from achieving your dreams. Thank you once again, and I wish you all the best in your exams.